Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look, and there was a lot of difficult parts. I really screwed up a lot of stuff tonight, so if you're interested in watching me screw things up and then try to fix them and getting this final product, which I think is pretty good, then stick around for the video. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is start out by priming, and I think today I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. This one. This is the Too Faced Prime Set Refresh Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. And it's silicone-free, alcohol-free, and oil-free, and this is like one of my favorite makeup products that I bought in so long. Like, I love it so much. I think I'm going to use this, which is the Maybelline Color Stay? Super Stay Full Coverage. I just cleaned my brushes, but I feel like when you're using foundation with brushes, you have to clean them like literally every use. So I'm just going to do like half a pump and see how that goes. And this does dry down, not super fast, but faster than a lot of my other foundations. So I do like to try to go fast with it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is go in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. So I'm going to use this very lightly. I'm not going to use a whole bunch. Uh-oh. That's in my eyeball. Just kind of like stamping it in. Okay, so that definitely brightened everything up. Ooh. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is use some e.l.f. High Definition Under Eye Setting Powder. And I'm just going to put that under my eyes very lightly with a little eyeshadow brush. Just tap it in. Okay, now that that's baking, I'm going to pull out this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. And then I'm just going to go in with this brush, and I'm just going to contour a little bit. I've been doing like way less of a contour lately. And then I'm just going to blend all of that in real quick. Blend this up and away from my face. I'm going to use a little bit of this Wet n Wild bronzer. I'm not going to do much. Okay, so everything is coming together a little bit, but I still look a little crazy. So next I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Ombre Blush. I don't know what shade this is, but it's like the purpley one. I'm going to take this little brush and go into the darker part first. So I looked up what my face shape was, and then I looked up how I should do my blush according to my face shape, because it was something I saw on Sophia Nygaard's channel. So I just have been doing it out here, not coming all the way over, but just keeping it sort of on the outer part of my face, like my cheekbones. So then what I'm going to do is take the other side of this brush and go into the lighter part up here, and then just dust a little bit of that on. I feel like it just gives it a little bit more dimension, and I go in a little bit further with this one and try to keep this one up, like higher. I don't know, I just feel like it adds a little bit to it. What else do I have left to do? Okay, next I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I'm going to go in with this Blondie Ultra Brow Powder from VanityMark.com. I've never even heard of this. I think I stole this from my sister years and years ago. It's almost gone, so I need to go and see if I can even reorder it, because I love it. I've had it forever. And I'm just going to take this little teeny tiny brush, like it's super small, slanted brush, and dip into this. I've been using this brush just because I feel like it's more precise. Obviously, it's so small. And then I can just really get in there. Oh my god, that's so uneven. Hold on. I have to fix that. Okay, and then I'm going to go in real quick with Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. And I'm just going to try to stamp some hairs at the beginning to try to... Because that's the part that always gives me so much trouble because my eyebrows are like so different. Like I can't get them to look similar. Now that that's over, I'm going to go in with this NYX illuminating powder. It's like this duochromatic. I got it on sale for really cheap. It was on clearance for $3.98, and it's a highlighter, and it's like this purpley color. So I don't know, it's really pretty. I'm gonna try it out. I haven't used this in forever either, but when I did get this, I used it for a long time, but my makeup tastes have definitely changed a lot since then, so we are going to see how it looks now. But with that purpley blush, I feel like this purpley highlighter will go good with it. This is how I used to use it. I used to use these two things together. It might be too purpley. What is this night? Is this just like Brit fails at everything tonight? Like, none of this looks that bad in real life, but on camera, I look like a fucking psychopath. This is, Sexy Bomb or something like that. I don't know, they put the clearance sticker right on the name. What is this? The Sex Bomb Shadow Palette. So this is from NYX. It's the Sex Bomb Shadow Palette. So what I'm gonna do first is go into this red shade. I really hope this doesn't look crazy because I never do stuff like this. And I'm just gonna start popping that on the waterline here. And then I'm gonna also just pop it on that outer corner. Alright, looking crazy so far. Love it. It's my look now. Just like psychopathic. I'm gonna be a juggalo or a juggalette, joining the Insane Clown Posse where I can do my makeup and be beloved, okay? Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start blending. Blending. Hopefully this doesn't blend away to nothing. Or hopefully it blends at all because it's kind of making me nervous. Okay, whatever. I'm moving on to the next step, which is going to be... I'm gonna put this gray color on the inner corner. Let's just fucking fuck it. Let's just see what happens. So, I'm gonna grab this brush right here and just go into this gray color. Just sort of lightly dab it on there. I don't like how this gray color is. It seems pretty patchy and just not very great. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is go into this shade and just dust it up here. Kind of blend that. Okay, next I'm going to take my finger and go into this sparkly one. That's really getting sparkles everywhere. Holy crap, it's very crumbly. And then I need to put color under my eyes. I think I'm going to go back into this red. So I think I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible in the shade Smoldering Plum. This is like, it's like a weird kind of eyeshadow. It can also be used as a highlighter. It's like a powder, but it's like a pressed powder. And I'm just going to dot that in there also. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is take some e.l.f. Kohl eyeliner and just put it right in my waterline. And then I'm going to take this NYX matte liquid liner. I really like this. It's a very good matte liquid liner. And I'm just going to line the top part of my eye. I'm going to try not to go too crazy, but just like my eyebrows, whenever I do this, it ends up being way more than I meant it to be. Okay. I know those aren't quite even, but we're going to call it a day on that. I'm going to go in with Festival by Tarte, the Tarteist lip paint. I've only used this one a couple times, but I think it'll look pretty good. Oh no. What did I do? I screwed it up. Why am I screwing everything up tonight? Oh! It's just not my night. Okay guys, this is the final makeup look. All completed. We had some ups and downs in there, but I think we pulled it all together. So I guess let me know down in the comments if you agree or you don't agree. Maybe this is absolutely horrifying. But thanks for stopping by, thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And also click through over here for some of my other videos. And this little circle right here will take you, it'll let you subscribe to my channel. So click that. Thanks. Bye.